Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to disable or turn off your camera in Windows 11. First method is click Start, Settings, click Privacy and Security. Click Camera. Turn off camera access. Click Camera Device Settings. Click Disable. Second method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Right-click Camera, click Disable Device. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.